Alright, so we just saw the longhand way of calculating the margin of error, if we want to call it that, and I did it so that we could see how each of the components in the formula plays their part on the end result. But it turns out that there's an Excel function that lets us do it all in one pass. So the confidence.norm function returns the margin of error for a specified confidence level and a standard error. So all we need to do is specify the alpha for the confidence level and the standard deviation of the population and sample size for the standard error. And if we look at this same example from the previous slides, you'll see that we've got the employability before sample, we've got our sample mean, our sample size, our population standard deviation, and our alpha value. And if we just plug all those into our confidence.norm formula, we get that same exact margin of error from the previous example. So now let's just quickly jump back into Excel so that we can do the same thing ourselves. Here in Excel, I'm going to actually jump back into the link from the previous lecture. And all I want to do is replace this margin of error that's using all these values with the confidence.norm function. Alpha is going to be 10%, standard deviation of the population is 90, and the sample size is 95. Close that, and we get the same exact value and the same exact confidence interval. And we can actually delete all these, and we get the same result. I'm just going to undo, and there you go.